Hello, my name is William Springster, and this is my new YouTube channel, The William Springster. It is all about being an example of how I've changed my life. From a low-key, cubicle bum, to a limitless entrepreneurial individual, who absolutely enjoys taking action and getting things done. In today's episode, 5 golden rules to never give up from your goals. So here they are. Number 1, have a worthy goal. So it will never make sense to give up from it, because your whole future depends on it. Number 2, have a way to visually track and encourage yourself in your progress. Use apps like Progress and Projects for Android, or similar. Number 3, have an audience to keep you accountable, like your closest friends or a YouTube or other social media audience who relies on your results. Number 4, make it your duty, make it a part of your being, your identity. Therefore it will never feel like an obligation but instead, just like breathing. And lastly, number 5, make a tiny effort each day to make it much easier to do the next time. Automate, delegate, cut out unnecessary things and make it a priority. That's it for today, my lovely viewers. This has been your host, William Springster. Apologies for a shorter than usual video today, I had some tech issues. And I solved it in the last moment with just enough time to make a video for today. Because I love my audience, no matter how small at the moment. But yeah, I'm doing all this for you guys, but also, to show you that it is possible to keep a promise and put my money where my mouth is. See ya tomorrow, and good night.